Thank you so much, Lalab, sa pa-surprise, tsaka sa Manila Gift Shop. Salamat. Thank you. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very
Surprise! Happy birthday! Thank you. Surprise po, ma'am! Happy birthday! Ma'am, kamusta po? May iyak po ba kayo? Tawa po kayo, ma'am. Ito po ay naka-picture all the way from Saudi Arabia. Happy birthday! At dahil sa araw niyo, ma'am, meron po kayong birthday! At dahil sa araw niyo, ma'am, meron po kayong birthday! Ma'am, sabayan at Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ma'am, wish po ka bago blow the candle. Ito, wish po ma'am. Okay na. Happy birthday! Ma'am, basahin ko lang nakalagay. Happy birthday, Mal, from Ayesha, Amara, and Papa. Happy birthday! At dahil sa araw niyo, ma'am, mayroon po kayong flower bouquet with 5,000 pesos. Happy birthday! At dahil sa araw niyo, ma'am, siyempre may kasama din po ito. Happy birthday! At dahil sa araw niyo po, ma'am, siyempre may kasama po itong birthday message. Pero bago po po tayo, magpapakala po kami nga po pala ang Metro Manila Stop NBC. Ma'am Joy, nandito po kami upang gawin extra special ang inyong sa arawan. Happy birthday! Ma'am, ready po na po tayo. Mahal, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mapasaya kita sa konting surprise ko sa'yo. Pasensya ka na kung yun lang ang makayanan ko. Babawi ako pagbalik ko, and I'm so proud of you. Kasi ang galing mo mag-drive ngayon. I love you. Wish ko na ngayon. Say good health and more birthdays to come. And I hope na sana masaya ka ngayon. Happy birthday. I love you so much. Nagmamahal ang iyong asawa ko nila. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Ngayon po, ma'am, na-surprise po ba? Kasi, nagtag ko na may tumawag sa akin kanina eh. Ay, ginawa na naman sa asawa. Happy birthday! Thank you. Sa ano po, ma'am, masasabi po kay sir? Nanonood po siya. Ay, andyan mo siya? Salamat. Love you, ma'am. Thank you. Happy birthday po, ma'am. Sa mama? Sa papa na lang, nanonood si papa. Ano masasabi sa papa? Ano masasabi sa papa? At dahil sa arawan niyo, ma'am, kami din po from Metro Manila District and Dito kami dito para sa inyo. Salamat. po, ma'am. Happy birthday! Yan. Sige po, ma'am. Kung wala na pong babate, kami naman po mga staff gustong bumati. Sa'yo po, ma'am Joy, nabati ka po namin ng happy birthday! Enjoy the blessed day! More birthdays to come! Happy birthday po! Last music pleasure!
Thank you so much, Lalab, sa pa-surprise, tsaka sa Manila Gift Shop. Salamat. Thank you. Love you.
Sige po, ma'am. Once again po, ma'am, happy birthday. And lastly po sa aming sender kay Sir Ponciano, all the way from Saudi Arabia. Sir, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat kasi kami po ang inyong napili upang mahatid po itong sorpresa para po sa inyong minamahal na asawa na si Ma'am Joy. Ipagpatuloy lang po itong mamahal sa isa't isa. Lagi po kayong dyan mag-ingat sa abroad. God bless po. Sa'yo po ulit, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Every last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless. My love is endless. And with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word.